Okay guys, welcome to the Direct channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So today we are going to be looking at the same strategy, the same step, and I'm going to teach you guys how to use the strategy exactly on our volatility indices. Okay, I've already created a video. Now you guys can use the strategy on bull market crash price, and this time I want to show you guys how to use the strategy on the VIX indices. Okay, so this strategy was already tested and being used by many traders, including I, and you could see that this strategy is very effective. Okay, you can see the entry was perfect and everything works perfectly. Okay, you can see it's a sniper entries, and I was able to catch this move with this strategy. Okay, so I led to the entry. You're supposed to enter right at the spot when the crossover happens, but we're still able to make some money with this strategy. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification. Anytime we post a strategy, you guys will be aware. Okay, so I'm expecting to close my trade when when this linear bands is the 50 levels, or when the price hit the resistance area. Okay, so that's when I'm closing all my positions. Okay, so I have another trade here on VIX 75. Even though the trade is going against me, I've already run into a profit, but it's going against me now, and I'm thinking of closing the Volatility 75 trades because it has already hit the 85 levels, which signifies that the market is going to go for a sell. Okay, so let me close the trade in a few minutes. So let me close all the volatility trades and leave the VIX 50 running. So now, let me show you guys how to make use of this strategy. And if you want account management, no matter how small or big your equity is, just contact us for account management, and we have a terms and conditions. If you send the times, you agree with the time, then we are going to manage your account for you. And this is December time, so let us make something in the market before this year ends. Okay, so let me show you guys the settings for the strategy, and then we dive into how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. Now we go up into our indicator windows, and we are adding all this indicator up. Now starting from the moving average, now click on the search on your moving window plus search for moving average. I'll click on it. Now this is properties for the moving average. The period is 5, shift is 0. The method is simple: apply to close. I'm using the blue color. You can choose any color of your choice. So click on down, we set everything up, and then the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be the moving average. Click on doing the plus as well, search your moving average and click on it. Now this is the properties for the second moving average. Period is 10, shift is 0. The method is simple: apply to close. I'm using the green color, choosing color of your choice. Now to the next indicator, which is going to be in our indicator window 1. Now click on the window plus, search for RSI and click on it. Now this is the properties for the RSI. Now the period is 110, apply to close, and the levels we need the 15, 85 and the 50 levels. Now I'm using the gray color. You can choose any color of your choice. Now click on turn, we set the RSI help. Okay, now to the next indicator, click on the indicator window 1 plus, search for Bollinger Bands and click on it. Now the period is 10, shift is 1, the deviation is 1.001, apply to close, and the levels we need the minus 0.1 to minus 0.8. Okay, so I'm using black color, choosing the color of your choice, and when you set everything up, click on done. So now we are adding up the last but not the least indicator, which is the parabolic SCR. Click on indicator window 1 plus, search for parabolic SCR, click on it. Now this is the properties for the parabolic SCR. The step is 0.003. The maximum is 0.30. I'm using the blue color, choosing the color of your choice. Now click on done, we set everything up. Now how do you make use of the strategy? Okay, so how do you make use of strategy? Now this strategy works perfectly on the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and the 1-minute time frame. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the 5-minute time frame for the explanation of this strategy right here. Okay, I'm going to use the 5-minute time frame. Now starting from the trade that I was that I take with this strategy right here. Okay, now the first thing you want to make sure that you look for whenever you want to take trade with the strategy. The first thing you want to look for is you want to make sure that you want to see the Bollinger Bands come and touch the 15 levels of the RSI. When this happens, when the Bollinger Bands touch the 15 levels of the RSI, now your expectation is to patiently wait and look for parabolic SAR dots for shows. Okay, now when the parabolic SAR dots, just one dot shows here in the your indicator window one, and the Bollinger Bands is also at 15 levels. Now the next thing you want to pay attention to is your price. Now wait for the price to come above the moving average line. Okay, secondly, you want to make sure that you see the moving average cross over each other. Now when this crosses happens, which we are expecting the blue line to cross above the green line. Now when this crosses happens, now the next thing you are waiting for is wait for the price to come back and touch either the blue line or the green line. Okay, now let's say the price come back and touch the blue line, you enter your trade immediately. Okay, now if you are going to be using 0.10 lot size, now whenever the price come back and touch the blue line, you enter with 0.5, and if possible the price later come and touch the green line, then you enter to another 0.5. Okay, so that's how you take trades with the strategy. Or you can just enter all your positions when the price come back and touch the blue line. Okay, so that's how the strategy works. And if you want to be taking your profit with the strategy, you either take your profit right at 50% of the RSI, or just take your profit when the price hits your nearest support or resistance area. Okay, so that's when you are closing your trades. That's when you are closing your trades. Okay, so now that is for a buy signals for this strategy right here, and that's how I was able to catch this move right here with this strategy. Okay, you can see I've already run into a $5,000 plus with this crazy move in the market. Okay, so I'm expecting to take my profits when it hit this resistance area. Okay, so that is for buy. Now for sell trades, okay, for share trade. And now I want you guys to know something quickly. I want you guys to know something that this strategy sometimes this strategy has almost 90% win rate. Okay, which means that there will be some losing trades in the market. Okay, so you guys have to note that down as well. Okay, so now for a sell trade, now how do you take a sell with this strategy? Okay, same thing applicable, just come with different explanation. Now the first thing you want to pay attention to is the Bollinger Bands. You pay attention to the Bollinger Bands, wait for the Bollinger Bands to come and touch the 85 levels of the RSI. Now when the Bollinger Bands come and touch the 85 levels of the RSI, now the next thing you are waiting for is wait for the parabolic SAR dot to shows. Okay, in the parabolic SAR dot shows, then the next thing you are expecting is to pay attention to the price. You pay attention to the price. Now, paying attention to the price is that you are expecting to see the price move below the 2 moving average. When the price move below the 2 moving average, now all you are expecting is you wait for the price. Now after breaking below, after the price break below the moving average, now the blue line has to follow, which means that the blue line also have to move below the moving average as well. When the moving average blue line move below the second moving average, now you wait for the price to come back and touch the blue moving average or the green moving average. When the price come back and touch that area, that's when you're in time for your trades. Okay, so some of you might wonder where to set your stop loss and where to take your profit. Now to take your profit, you just have to wait for this Bollinger Bands line to come and touch 50% of the RSI, or you take your profit at the near support or resist support area, that is for sell. You take your profit at the resistance area, that is for buy. Okay, so now for your stop loss, then you are setting your stop loss above this, so above the above this resistance area right here, you set your stop loss above the resistance area. Your stop loss should be right at this top, okay? To be right at this top, and for a buy, your stop loss will be below the support area, okay? So that is how it works, guys. Now let me show you guys let me explain to you guys on the volatility indices as well. Now each now you have to remember something, guys. You have to remember something. Each sometimes the time frame might be different, okay? So which means that if you are using the 5 minute time frame on the volatility 50, you can be using the 15 minute time frame on the volatility 75. So it's come with different time frames, guys. Come with different time frames, so you guys have to understand that. Now most of the time, if I want to take trades with this strategy on the volatility 75, I do use the 15 minute time frame, okay, to take trade with the with this strategy on the volatility 75 index, okay? So now let's show you guys how it works on the 15 minute time frame on the volatility 75 index, okay? Now the first thing you want to be patiently waiting for is, now if you want to take trade with strategy, now the first thing you pay attention to is wait for the, as always, you wait for the Bollinger Bands to come and touch 15 levels of the RSI. Now when this touches happens, now you patiently wait for the parabolic SL dot to show up. When one of this parabolic SL dot shows here on the when the Bollinger Bands touch 15 levels, the one dot switch in the parabolic SL, then the next thing you do is to pay attention to the price. Wait for the price come and break above the moving average, and also the blue line cross above the moving average as well. When this crosses happens, then we patiently wait for the price come and touch either the blue line or the green line. But most of the time when I want to take trade with strategy, let's see, when the price come and touch the blue line, I enter half of my position, and when I touch the green line, I enter all the remaining positions, okay? Now remember, as I already told you guys, your stop loss will always be below the support area for a buy, and your TP should always be at the top of the resistance area, okay? So or 50 levels of the RSI. As simple as that, guys. Same thing applicable for a sell trade, okay? So that's that, guys, about the strategy, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. So as we be taking a profit here on this that is 51 days, you can see $7,000 plus profit. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you want to make short amount, don't forget to contact us for account management, okay? So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and type in strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.